Welcome to Wi-Fi Money, where our mission is to help you increase and diversify your income online. Make sure you hit that like button if you gain any value, subscribe for more money-making tips, and tap that notification bell so you're first to each and every new money-making opportunity. Please feel free to check out our website, letsmakewifimoney.com, to get updates on money-making opportunities before they go live on our channel. We also have some awesome Wi-Fi Money merchandise if you need some new threads. Also linked below are all of our favorite software and programs used to make this channel possible, including SEO ranking tools, YouTube course, editing software, and best of all, the program we actually use to make these videos possible. Without a further ado, let's get into it. Now, signing up for Thinkific is actually completely free. Now, upgrading is optional as their paid plans do offer much more flexibility. After a sale or two of your new course, we advise that you upgrade your plan ASAP so you can connect your own personalized domain as well as diversify your course topics. I have 2 courses that make great passive income and I haven't paid a cent to create/host it. Now, the hardest part of creating a course is actually planning and filming. All you need to do content-wise is simply write your script, create chapters with subsections, and record. Then simply upload them to Thinkific. Check out my course link in the description to see how my content is structured. You don't need the highest quality videos. Using your iPhone will be just fine. Really focus on providing value, whether you're teaching people how to do BMX tricks, start a YouTube channel, build an engine, trade stocks, invest in real estate, create a garden, paint a portrait, etc. Now, next, you have all of the videos filmed, edited, and ready to view. You're ready to start building your site. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is to figure out your name. Come up with a catchy and SEO-rich name. Mine is titled FastPass YouTube Class. It's short, catchy, and filled with SEO. FastPass implies that it is designed to cut the learning curve, achieving client success much faster than normal. YouTube Class implies it is a course designed to specifically teach you how to build a YouTube channel. Now, next is branding your site. This is where you will choose your colors, font, and theme. If you already have social media pages or other websites, make sure they all match. My merchandise site, YouTube channels, Instagram, etc. all have the exact same branding so people can easily identify my brands and I. Next, moving on, is creating chapters and uploading your videos. Next, upload files, title them, and write a brief description if need be. Simply follow the instructions on Thinkific in order. The service is extremely user-friendly and is by far the easiest part to complete as you've already done most of the heavy lifting. Now, you want to design your landing page. Turn your Thinkific homepage into a high-converting landing page. Maybe your prospects aren't fully sold on your course yet. Take advantage of the free homepage and turn it into a landing page. It's vital. The more information you can easily and quickly read regarding the legitimacy of your course, the less people will click off. Landing pages result in a much higher conversion for almost any product or service. People may not fully be convinced or sold on the fact that they need your course yet. This is where you tell your prospects everything they are wanting to hear to make them feel even more confident in spending their hard-earned cash and time with you. Moving on, you need to price accordingly. Now, the price is up to you. Take into consideration your niche, target market, value of your course, ROI for your customer, length, and sometimes even the quality and demand. The BMX course is only $29 as the YouTube course is $97. The average BMX niche customer is usually younger with no or limited income. You can only charge that demographic so much. As for YouTube, this targets an older, more professional demographic looking to invest in their future business. This is an example of how 2 markets determine 2 different prices for virtually the same product. Alright, I figured before we actually end this video, I would show you exactly what my course looks like, or at least one of my courses. This is the FastPass YouTube class. As you can see, we have our branding, we have our colors, and this is the first thing that you see. It's just a quick sell right here and a get started button that takes you to the page to kind of click the course and check out, of course. Well, I guess it just takes you to the checkout course. And right now, I'm running a Black Friday sale, so it is half off. That's why it's cheaper than usual, but if you scroll down, let's say your prospect is not totally sold on your product yet, like we talked about. They scroll down and they get loads of more information. And I like to plug in my face as many times as possible to really build that connection, that trust, put my personal brand on the line, and just let people know that, hey, this is legit and I think I could really help you. So obviously, lots of really well organized information, not too overwhelming, showing the passive income that I have showing the passive income that I have earned. This is from one of my channels in just a couple months. And you keep going, and I actually have the curriculum in front of you. So if you're not really sure about buying my course, you can actually, in Thinkific, have it to where they can see everything that they're going to learn, including these subsections. So this is what I was talking about. These are the chapters right here, and then these are the subsections. So this is very valuable. So if someone's not quite sure if your course has what they need, this will definitely reassure them, and they're going to not only see all the chapters, but each individual thing that they're going to learn. And then, of course, I have a Black Friday timer right here, create a little bit of urgency, but it's going to end on Cyber Monday, and then eventually that will start to zero, and then I will probably have an end of the year sale. So this is my site, and you go to all courses. I just have one. I actually have a different course on a different website, but yeah, there it is. I figured I would show it to you guys before we ended the video. Now, finally, you are ready to publish to the world. You're ready to hit that publish button. Push it out to your social media for the first initial few sales, then reinvest those profits into upgrading your plan so you can add more courses and your own custom domain. The biggest downside of the free version is you cannot add your own domain. Adding your own custom domain looks much more professional and will result in higher conversions, so keep that in mind moving forward. If you are interested in creating and selling your own online course, click the link in our description to get started for completely free. So go down there, click it, and get started. Well, that's all for today, so good luck. If you gained any valuable information, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as well as tell us what niche you plan on creating your course in. See you guys on Thursday.